Welcome back. This is again just a fun, quick video. I am hooked on the Milwaukee Packouts. I'm buying all this stuff. They're not giving me anything for free. I'm buying this, I'm using it, I'm having a lot of fun. I'm going to have lots of videos coming up showing how I've modified these. I've got one of these I've modified just to have mailbox locks. So when I go to do a mailbox, which we do lots in the city, I just take this kit, throw it on my Packout. I got my drill all ready to go, and it's absolutely fantastic. I like the stackability. I like that when I'm doing specific jobs, I can grab, the larger one of these with the deadbolts in it, key and knobs, whatever job I'm doing. If I'm just doing a lockout or an installation, I just put my kit together. What's even more fun is this product. This is the Packout for storage. I can put this on the wall in the shop, the wall at home, the garage. I'm looking at putting it inside my service truck. I can now take all this and stack it on here. And I'm just going to show you just briefly what I'm doing. It's still setting stuff up and working with this. The whole Packout as a system I'm really, really happy with it. I have the other systems too. I've got the DeWalt, two different styles of DeWalt. But this Milwaukee's just making my day with their product. I just absolutely love it. So I'll show you what I'm doing with these. So this is the Milwaukee Packout plate storage, whatever you want to call it. What I'm liking about it is I can just do that. I can take my toys and just have them like this sitting there, and wow, talk about compact storage for my service truck, but also my shop. I think I just gotta, I like these clear ones because I can see what's inside. And they just come off, just off and on super easy. Absolutely love the Milwaukee Packouts. I'm going to modify my shop to have this in there, and I'm going to modify my service truck to have these kits hanging on the sides of the truck, inside, out of the elements. This is a great system. Very, very easy to use, and I can see what's inside. Love it. Great job, Milwaukee. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button so I can have more of these videos coming to you. I have a lot more videos coming on the Packout as I modify it, putting in my locksmith tools, and I'll start showing some jobs where I'm going to jobs with my Packout and everything. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.